Alright guys, so my Steam Deck is here and I'm trying to get the best angle that I possibly can. I'll switch up a few different angles and do some B-roll stuff as well. But yeah, my Steam Deck finally came. I only ordered this last week though, to be fair. Like it's come really quickly, and obviously now reservations are not needed for the Steam Deck. You can literally buy one now to order, which is really good. Really good of them. So we're going to try and open this box. I am no professional unboxer, so I am just using a pair of scissors to cut through this tape. And there is a lot of tape on this box. Right, there's a little bit more tape here than I previously expected. Alright. I'm sure you guys are watching this going, oh, that's not how you do an unboxing. Alright, we're upside down. Alright, so as you can see here, just a little attention sticker, attention label here, basically just saying plug in your power cable via USB-C. So we're going to move that. And it's here. I can't believe I've seen this so many times on YouTube now, from watching all the unboxings on YouTube, and I'm like, I can't believe it's finally in front of me. This is so good. Your games are going places. So this is the middle model with 256 gigabytes. Alright, so tape's off. So in here we have our power adapter. As you can see, so this is the power adapter, just a standard USB-C power adapter. I'm sure you can probably use an unofficial one, or like just one that you've got lying around the home, but hey, we have an official one. So this is the Steam Deck in its case. We're going to open it up and find out how it is. Now, I have had my hands on one before. When I was at EGX, they had a Steam Deck booth in which I got to play, I believe, was it something Judgment? It wasn't a game for me anyway, so I'm excited to play games that I actually want to play. There we go. Comes with this case, which is if you look the higher priced one comes with a case that has a little bit of a blue symbol here. It's just a slightly different case, but it's no bother to me. And the memory wise, you can always expand it with an SD card, so there's no bother there. We need to cut this seal off, and 3, 2, 1. Oh man, I'm so excited for this. I am so excited for this. So this is the Steam Deck, and there you go. There's the rest of the case there. And then you've got on the top, you've got your volume buttons, you've got a headphone jack, your vent ports, you've got the USB-C charger there, and then you've got your power button. Oh, and the buttons just feel so nice, so clicky. So clicky. You've got a D-pad, you've got your menu buttons there, you've got start and select. Analog sticks, which you can click in, which is really nice. You've got mouse trackpad there, Steam button there. You've got your XBAY buttons set up the same as the Xbox, and I'd say it feels exactly like the Xbox One controller to me. Oh, don't bloody drop it already. Mouse track button, and then on the back you've got your little paddle buttons as well. Now there is no charge for this. We need to go and charge it, so I will let you know and show you what it's like when it's all switched on, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we are currently playing Death Job, which is built for this console, for the Steam Deck. So we're just checking this out now. It's quite interesting. It shows off what the console can do. As you can see, playing this now. There we go. There's the credits. Yeah, it was a cool little short that basically shows you exactly what the deck needs to do and what you can do with the deck. Showed off the gyro controls and everything. Really fun. Absolutely loving this system so far, and I haven't even installed any of my own games on it yet. So I don't have many games here on my Steam Deck that are verified and able to play, like, confirmed. So I'll go over here and we'll show you what I've got. I'll just scroll across here until we get to my library, and then so we've got great on deck here at the top. So I've got Apex Legends, Dead Island Riptide. I've got Kena Bridge of Spirits. That's probably the first one I'm going to play here. A couple of Lego games, Phasmophobia and such. Then we've got all games. So I've got 70 games in total here. Some of them are unsupported. It's a matter of just like testing them as well and seeing if they work, because there are cases where games aren't verified and they do work. So it's going to be a case of testing them out and seeing what works and what doesn't. And then when we go over to the Steam button here, we can go to the store. And it's got a great on deck section here with a bunch of games that it suggests to play as well, which is really cool. So yeah, guys, amazing stuff. I do have a dock to unbox. I'll do that in a separate video. And also I'll probably do some test videos of different games and such. And really dig into the finer details of the Steam Deck. So let me know if that's something you want to see in the comment section below. I'll see you with the next one, guys.